Now, the majority of the grain is wheat and corn. It accounted for nearly about 16.9 million tons and about 8.91 million tons respectively. The exports also included stuff such as barley, rapeseed, soybeans and sunflower oil. So who is benefiting out of this? Now, on the surface, absolutely no one benefits out of this. But this is Russia attempting to use food grain as a weapon of war. The Kremlin, for its part, has categorically said that halting of this deal is in no way related to the attack on the Crimean bridge. But one can put two and two together here. The decision has come just hours after the blast that damaged the Kerch bridge. The Western analysts say that Russia is using grain as a weapon of war and ammunition, and this image stands testament to that. It's a Russian missile that hit a grain depot in Ukraine. So not only has it now abandoned the plan to export the grain, it is also destroying the source. But again, this is war, and everything here has two sides to it. Miles away from the missiles and the blame game, the citizens of the poorer nations will suffer. The United Nations is already struggling with its food programs in Africa. So there is no grain and no money and just people who are likely to go hungry. And this is not going to affect just nations in Africa or Asia. This is food inflation that will affect Europe and the Americas as well.
All right, so we got our fence ready. We're gonna go ahead and put it around our mounds and protect our investment. Join me in this edition of Seed Time and Harvest. We're gonna use this fence to keep the pest out. So let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to unroll this here. Zip tie cutters, man. You need one. Just telling the brothers you need one of these. All right, we're going to unravel this thing here. Looks like it's connected right here. Got a couple connections. By the way, this is 3 feet high by 100 feet long. So this should be plenty of fence here to go around the whole thing. Zip tie cutters, I'm telling you, they come in handy. Use them for everything. We're gonna start. Make sure you have somebody to help you with this. So I'm gonna have to flip this around because I already see it's gonna be a hindrance. If I keep doing it this way, it's gonna be hard work. Now watch it when I flip it. Now I could just unravel it that way. And of course, I'm gonna use zip ties. Do you know about zip ties? Well, get to know about them. They really come in handy. Make the work go by real easy. I use them for almost just about everything here. And guess what? We're gonna bring this closer with the zip tie. Look at that. Can't go wrong with zip ties. By the way, get yourself a zip tie cutter. Just makes the job cleaner. Now we're gonna unravel this. And this could be a 2-person job, but if you're up for it like me, hey, let's get to work. Let's get the job done, right? That's what it's all about. Come see these worms. Look at that guy. That guy's big. It's like a snake. Let's put him in the mountains. Help him out. There we go. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to pull on the fence to make sure it's nice and tight before you zip tie it. That way it has a nice sturdy fence. It's a nice sturdy fence, so you want to make sure you pull on it, and just like that, once you got the zip ties on there, you're good to go. And go ahead and repeat that all around the legs. And then here's our door. We're gonna go in just like that. And now I'm inside. Hey, you know what? It works. And I'm protected from all the critters. You know what? We're ready to garden now. So we're gonna grow probably some sorrel and some collard greens, things that are able to grow in the summertime. We already have kale, cucumbers, tomatoes, and peppers. So we're gonna expand and grow some more crops that are good for summertime. So stay tuned for that video. And thank you for joining us on Seed Time and Harvest. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave your comments here below. And if you want to contact us, go ahead and contact us at gardenevangelist.com. See you next time.